In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes in Zoho Books. Managing taxes is an essential part of running any business, and Zoho Books makes it straightforward and efficient. Let's get started by heading over to the dashboard within your Zoho Books account. This area serves as your command center, providing a snapshot of your financial health. If you haven't already, log into your account and navigate to the dashboard. It's from here that we can access everything we need. While you're on the dashboard, look out for any highlighted sections or prompts. These features are designed to guide you through your essential tasks and make managing your finances simpler and more intuitive. Interacting with these highlights often brings you one step closer to improving your settings and making necessary changes seamlessly. From this main dashboard area, our next stop is the settings. You'll find this option readily available, and after selecting it, look specifically for taxes and compliance. This section is dedicated to tax management, a crucial aspect of maintaining compliance in your business. Familiarizing yourself with this segment can prevent complications down the line and help keep your operations smooth. Upon reaching the taxes and compliance section, click on taxes. Here you'll find a dedicated, detailed space where you can manage all the tax information relevant to your business. This is your centralized hub for dealing with tax rates and details. The next step is to locate the Enable Sales Tax option. Given the significance of sales tax in your financial activities, ensuring that it's enabled is vital. This prepares you for future transactions and guarantees that your sales are accurately taxed. When sales tax is active, it's time to add a new tax. You'll find this option in New Tax. When you create a new tax category or rate, it should align with both local and international business operations, depending on what applies to you. In this section, you'll see an area to enter the tax name. Naming your taxes clearly and appropriately is key. This helps you easily identify them in your records, ensuring clarity and organization, especially when considering the sales or purchases that are subject to this specific tax. Next, you'll need to set the rate % for this tax. Entering the correct tax rate is pivotal as it impacts how much tax you need to collect or pay. Accuracy here ensures that your accounting is precise and fully compliant with regulations. Now let's move on to selecting a tax authority. This authority usually refers to the government or agency that receives the tax. It's crucial that this information is accurate to maintain legal compliance and prevent any unnecessary complications. Lastly, click Save. By saving your entries, you confirm all the changes and apply them to your transactions. It's the final yet crucial step in this process, ensuring all your efforts translate into flawless functionality in Zoho Books. And there you have it, a comprehensive setup of taxes in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll not only ensure your business complies with tax regulations, but also keep it running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful.